Here is a quick, simple, and healthy breakfast idea of pan fried salmon, feta salad, and bread. First, you need tomato, cucumber, red onion, lemon, bell peppers of any colors, feta cheese, parsley or any fresh herb, honey, and olive oil. Majority of the breakfast is to actually chop different vegetables together. So I am starting with this red onion. First, chop your red onion and set aside. Next, chop your tomato to any structure you actually like and then set aside. I am cutting my cucumber next. That as well can be any shape you like, then set aside. Next, I'm using green and red bell pepper, and that's what I am chopping on the screen. So I am making it not too small and not too big, just a size that looks complementary to each other. After cutting those, I am also cutting my feta cheese into little cubes so that it matches the vegetables that I have been slicing. And lastly, I am chopping parsley. You can use any fresh herbs that you actually like. It could be mint or basil or just anything. I prefer parsley because it's not very strong, but it still gives you that fresh herb vibe. Then I'm using 3 different colors of olives. You can really use one or as many colors as you have. Once I am done with chopping all my vegetables together, I am pouring them all into a bowl to mix them all up. I am going in with olive oil. I have also added a bit of honey. Here is me squeezing it some lemon. Once that's done, then I went in with my spatula to mix everything together so it can combine well. There you have it, your feta salad is done. To marinate my salmon, I have gone in with some salt. I am also mincing in a clove of garlic. I am adding some pepper flakes for heat. Optional but nice, I have added some olive oil, half a spoon of dark soy sauce, half a spoon of oyster sauce. I have also added half of 1 lemon. That's all the spices I'm using. Then I have mixed it together and then set aside to marinate. Once my pan was hot enough, I added a little bit of oil, then went in with the salmon so it can fry. Once it was done frying on one side, I turned it to the other side so it can fry. And there you have it, my salmon is cooked. That's a simple breakfast idea. Enjoy yourself.
Don't go back to basics. Boring, tasteless. Face it, it's just better to